Our lecturer for today is Marinet C. Soriano, graduate of the Bataan Peninsula State University, taking up Masters of Arts in Science and Mathematics Education at Chiang Kai-shek College. Teacher 2 at Jose Abad Santos High School, Senior Department.
Let us start by the definition of work. So, work is the transfer of energy by a force acting on an object as it is displaced. And the unit for work is joule or kilogram meter squared per second squared. Kung titingnan ninyo, sa definition pa lang ng work, malalaman na natin kung ang work ba ay naganap o hindi. Unang-una, dapat merong transfer of energy, dapat may force, at dapat yung object na binigyan natin ng force ay ma-displaced o gumalaw. So mathematically, work is equivalent to the product of force cosine theta and distance. Or simply, work is equal to the product of force and distance, where W is the work done by the force, F is the force, D is the displacement caused by the force, and the theta is the angle between the force vector and the displacement vector. So, tingnan natin ang image na to. Is work done when this man is pushing the wall? Kahit na napakalaking force ang ibigay niya sa wall, kung ang wall ay hindi gumalaw o hindi na-displaced, siya ay walang work. Okay? So, hindi naganap ang work dito or no work is done here. So, tingnan naman natin ang iba't ibang situation like in situation where the man is carrying a box, a man is pushing a chair, and a man is pulling the chair. So, unang-una, katulad sa definition ng work, dapat merong energy transfer, merong force, at dapat na-displace ang binigyan natin ng force. At syempre pa, yung direction ng force, ganun din dapat ang direction ng motion. So kung titingnan natin to, habang hawak-hawak niya or while he's carrying this box, yung box ay nag-exert ng force downward while the man is exerting a force upward. Pero kung nag-exert ang kamay niya upward, dapat nagmo-move yung box pataas para masabi nating mayroong work. Pero dahil hindi gumagalaw yung box, walang work sa unang situation. In the second situation, habang pinupush ng man itong chair, yung chair ay nadi-displaced or nagkakaroon ng movement. So, merong work dito sa second situation at the same with the third situation. So, kapag kinuha mo ang box sa floor, while you are trying to pick up the box, yung box umaangat siya. Yung force mo is going upward at yung box naman is going upward din. Kaya, merong force doon. Pero kapag hawak-hawak mo na siya, karga-karga mo na siya. Kahit gaano ka katagal hawak siya or kahit napapagod ka na sa sobrang bigat niya, hanggat walang displacement, walang work. Next is energy. Ano ang relation ni energy kay work? So, kung wala tayong energy, hindi tayo magkaka-work. Kasi energy is the ability to do work. So, meron tayong tinatawag na mechanical energy, at yung mechanical energy natin is the kinetic energy and the potential energy. Kung ang work ay measured in joule, ang ating energy din is measured in joule. So, balik tayo sa two kinds of mechanical energy. We have to discuss both. Dahil lalo na sa pinag-usapan natin kanina, tungkol sa conservation of energy, na yung energy, hindi siya nag-create or nade-destroy. Siya ay nagtatransform lang into another form of energy. So, let us first discuss kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of particles in motion. So, kapag lahat ng mga bagay na gumagalaw, meron silang kinetic energy. It can be mathematically computed using the equation K is equals to 1/2 mv squared, where m is the mass of the object and v is the velocity in meter per second. So dito sa ating picture, ang kinetic energy ay nandito sa part na yung ating boy ay nagbibisikleta pataas ng hill at kapag pababa siya ng hill. Pero kapag nasa tuktok siya ng hill, ang kinetic energy niya is transformed into potential energy. So bago tayo mag-discuss tungkol sa potential energy, here are the different examples of kinetic energy. So, the kinetic energy of these bodies due to motion. For example, yung meteor shower, kapag naglalakad tayo or kapag nadudulas tayo, kapag nagto-throw ng ball, flying airplane, at marami pang iba. Basta energy in motion. So, now let us discuss the potential energy. Potential energy is the energy possessed by a body because of its position. So, hindi siya yung dati nating idea na ang potential energy is the stored energy. Ang potential energy is the energy in position. So, ibig sabihin, ang mga tao sa second floor, mas mababa yung kanilang potential energy kumpara sa tao sa 31st floor. Kapag ang position natin ay mas tumataas ng tumataas, mas lumalaki ng lumalaki ang ating potential energy. So, potential energy can be defined mathematically by the equation PE is equals to mgh, where m is the mass of the object, h is the height from the ground, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. So, kung titingnan nyo pa lang sa ating mathematical equation, nandyan na lahat ng component na very important para makonsider nyo kung ang ating energy ay potential energy. First, merong gravity and the height. Kasi nga, sinasabi natin, ang potential energy is the energy of position. So, kapag mas mataas, mas malakas ang potential energy. Kapag habang bumababa, mas mababa din ang potential energy. In this picture, makikita natin ang transformation ng potential energy sa kinetic energy. So, habang hawak ng girl itong bola, ang bola ay mayroong potential energy. Pero kapag nirelease niya yung bola and the ball will start moving, ang potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. So now let us discuss the total mechanical energy. So what is TME or total mechanical energy? The total mechanical energy of an object is the sum of its kinetic and potential energy. Or in mathematical definition, E is equals to PE plus KE. At alam naman natin na ang ating PE is mgh at yung ating KE naman is 1/2 mv squared. So, sa ating total mechanical energy, babalik tayo doon sa law of conservation of energy. That according to the law of conservation of energy, lahat ng energy involved ay hindi na create or na-destroyed. Sa katunayan, in an isolated system, the total mechanical energy is always conserved. Natutunan natin ang tungkol sa work and energy at nalaman natin na hindi tayo makakapag-work kung walang energy dahil the energy is the ability to do work, while work is the transfer of energy at dahil sa work, nagkakaroon dapat ng displacement na kapareho ng direction ng force. At kung walang displacement at hindi pareho ang direction ng force sa naging displacement, wala tayong matatawag na work. At nalaman din natin ang dalawang mechanical energy. We have the potential energy, which is the energy at the position, and the kinetic energy or the energy in motion. In our next video, matututunan naman natin ang tungkol sa particle-like or wave-like characteristics ng light.
Hi! Kung sa tingin ninyo kami nakakatulong sa inyong pag-aaral bilang estudyante at kung kami nakakatulong sa inyo bilang mga magulang at mga guro, please do subscribe to our channel. We wanted to reach as many as possible. And in exchange, we will commit ourselves, our time, and little resources to create more videos na makatutulong para sa kinabukasan at maayos at mabisang pag-aral ng bawat estudyante sa ating bansa.